What are variables? So, what are variables, you may ask? In math, a variable is essentially just a symbol. So, when you pick a symbol, you can pick pretty much anything you want to, like letter or even an illustration. However, letters are much more convenient in math. So now that we know what a variable is a symbol, what is a symbol, you may ask? Symbols represent something. In math, they usually used to represent numbers. These could be any numbers, such as 43, -1, and pi if you really wanted to. So, variables are just symbols that represent numbers, and we usually pick letters to represent symbols. For example, letter X is a variable, as well as letter A or Y, since any letter you choose can be a variable. Let's take an example. If we look at the equation 3a plus x plus 14, well, we are looking at for symbols that represent numbers, and the letters are the symbols used to represent it. In this equation expression, a and x are our two variables. All you need to find a variable is pick a symbol that represents a number, and then you, my friend, have a variable.